Hello and welcome to my channel, where I do daily Bitcoin technical analysis every day, Monday to Friday, analyze price action and prepare setups and levels for day trading. So let's firstly look what happened yesterday. So I released a video right here and I said the market structure is changing. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low. And when market structure changes, you look to trade the retrace into golden pocket right here. First X hit, a nice rejection, and that day was still uptrending, so VWAP is still a valid trade. We bounced from VWAP. We had some volatility here, but this is to be expected because we had quite a large move up and there is a lot of emotion and panic in the market. So this I still consider a bounce from VWAP, as I would expect the bounce to happen. I was saying that there was a lot of selling on order flow from the high, from the very high, so the high will be taken at some point, and it was taken later from the bounce from the VWAP. It was really nice, and this kind of high, this is basically where I said that you would never short a move up, a large breakout, because there is always more opportunities to short. The price is gonna consolidate and the early shorts are gonna be wiped out. So this is how it happens. Early shorts wiped out. Everyone who tried to short here, they are losing. I'm sure they hit some stop losses here. So this kind of high can go all the way down. Like it's gonna look exactly the same. When it reverses fully, it's gonna look exactly the same. The only difference is when we hit support levels, are we gonna bounce or are we gonna lose them? That's the only difference. This high is perfect for full reversal. 10-20% down, perfect. I want to emphasize that it's impossible to know when is the real move happening, because it's hard to predict. Like at the moment, yeah, okay, so yesterday it was nice win, and I will show you something. So at the moment, look at the daily chart. Strong close, expect high to be taken. Same as always. Good. This is bad high. I need it to be taken. On lower time frames, 4 hour, 1 hour, yes, this is a good high, and the closest support on 4 hour is below 40,000. So even though daily is looking to take the high again, lower time frames, short term, a retrace below 40k, it's completely possible, and I wouldn't be surprised. So we need to trade with that idea in mind, that retrace is possible, but we still expect higher prices. Closest 1 hour support around here. There is no order block, but 40k, 700, 800. Let's see if I have some levels. This is a 5-minute order block. So I would be expecting a bounce from around here. It is, I will just remove this. I don't need them anymore. And this naked point of control, it's played out already. It's from long time ago, from almost 2 years ago. It played out, it gave some resistance, and for now it's gone. I don't need it anymore. So there's small support here. Weekly open is 40k, another support. If we lose weekly open, the sentiment changes very drastically, and we can have unpredictable large squeeze down. But for now, we look up. So let's just put some fixed range. We are on point of control, bouncing from value area lows. It is a bit difficult to predict now. Let's check this. Channel holding. And VWAP at the moment we're playing around VWAP. I will just check order flow to have a better idea of what's happening behind the scenes. Let's start with volume profile. So volume profile, it's interesting when we are using previous day ranges. It's not that interesting when you're breaking out. Like yesterday you broke out, we are not interested in previous day value area. But today we open on value area high of yesterday, we do a rotation down, and we are kind of bouncing from the POC area. You see this massive horizontal wick? That's a lot of volume there, and it's on exactly 41,500. Yeah, so we're bouncing from this support. There is a small wick below 41,500, but some noise, some volatility, some panic, some emotion. You shouldn't expect always to the dollar bounces. If you expect to the dollar, you're gonna lose money. Just assume that we are bouncing from the point of control more or less here. Because there was a lot of volume before, you get a lot of volume now. And it's acting as support. We can still get to the low 41,200 quite easily. So this chart, you can see a lot more bearish imbalances than bullish imbalances. Shorts trapped on the low. I wouldn't like to go there again. It's very well, actually the shorts trapped, they probably got squeezed out already because we took the high, so they are not concerning me anymore. These are squeezed out as well. Some longs trapped on the high. You can see what kind of moves you get when you get traps. It's quite easy to predict as well. There was no trap here, still moved down, but it was taken out. Now it's trapped, and that's where I'm saying that if you remember yesterday or maybe before, I said first move is liquidation, stop losses, second move is a trap. That's why this high can reverse 10-20% down. That's the trap, and this was only liquidations. Yeah, so we need to be careful with that. Some shorts here, 42k shorts, and here I don't care about this. So let's put 42k as an important area where we should recover. In theory, we should recover. It's kind of daily open. Yeah, now I start seeing a story. Like we try to smash it, and this is decision point for a squeeze or move down. Bigger move down to these lows, and then test them and see what happens. That's current story. And let's go back. Now here order flow. This is not really great now what I see. So first of all, I show you what happened yesterday quickly. This was the high, and we see selling, a lot of selling starting from the high. I don't know what was the level, something people know about. I don't know about this, but I see the proof, people selling, and I immediately assume that this is gonna be taken out. So I don't look for shorts anywhere because this is gonna be taken out with high probability. It was taken out later, and there was a lot of support showing here. Yes, this is selling, but on the other side of selling is buying basically. And when you sell almost as much as there was selling right here, and the price is much higher, you assume that this is support. Some bigger guys are accumulating. They're buying up, and then it moves up. This was some resistance, but then back tested point of control, proof of support, and bounce up, take the highs. There was not much liquidations on the highs, so the highs are still kind of good to be taken. Some proof of support here. So when they opened, I got some resistance, some support. This is flat. On this higher low we have bullish CVD divergence, so quite good, but I would say it already played out because there is massive resistance here. See this spike on CVD around VWAP zone and around the point of control of today. There was massive resistance and there is no support showing up now. So locally order flow is bearish for now, and that's not really great. 41k backtest, probably coming 41k backtest. Let's go back and make a plan now. All this like the CVD is either neutral, looking good for support here yesterday, but today we have resistance as well, so it's like 50-50 locally. When I release this video, this is bearish. So for now it's bearish. Let's go back to trading and make some plans. It's bearish because we are downtrending and there is VWAP here. Same story like every day. In trends, VWAP works really well. These higher lows. So first of all, maybe we just take this out. Take it out and go back up. Because I'm assuming that we're gonna go for daily open today. All this is just kind of a trap and liquidity grab at the same time. Maybe this was liquidity grab, now we're going for a trap. This low, I don't know about this. It's kind of gonna be hard to predict. This could work out, this could work out. Or weekly open. Maybe we go for a big correction. The last level I will be looking at, it's gonna be weekly open. So 1, 2. This I don't know. Very interesting place on daily open. I expect daily open to at least touch today. If it breaks, it squeezes up very high, and it's gonna break this high and not come back. It's probably gonna break out above this. And for confluence, maybe we can get something like golden pocket. Yeah, I would expect not just a tap, but take out 42k. Before 42k, no shorts for me. I will be clear. Yes, this is resistance, but this is only for trapping. We explore lower. And it's possible that we go all the way to weekly open and lower, yeah. But for me, the probabilities are higher now for higher prices. Yeah, and 41k 200. Like, we don't need to take this low. We don't even need to take this low. We can just go higher. But order flow was bearish at this point. And it may be already played out. I don't know. So opportunity is 1, 2. Support here, maybe. And this is gonna be like one tap, very sharp bounce. This is what I would expect if we touch weekly open. Massive bounce. So again, swing failure. Here, not as simple. Maybe some downtrending consolidation. Maybe W formation. Or if it's just like we go there, and this is swing failure of this low, and we touch this swing high, it's good enough. It's like in same place. So that's the plan. 1, 2, 3. And watch daily open. Breaking daily open 43,500 more or less. That's what I think. And not shorting anyway before 42k. So yeah, so I hope you learned something. Have fun and have a nice day trading. See you tomorrow.